taking a deep breath, I'd like you to tense every muscle in your body, holding for a count of 3, and then release, letting all of the tensions go at once. And just observing the in and out of your breath. And continuing to focus on your breath, I'd like you to breathe in healing, cleansing air and release any negative energy of fear, anger, guilt, or shame. And as you take another deep breath in, breathing in clean, fresh, cleansing air, breathing out more of the negative air and any remaining tensions, releasing guilt, shame, and inferiority. And now breathing in pure, clean air that cleanses the body of all dis-ease. And release now all anger, fear, and anxiety. And now your body is relaxing, allowing you to release all tension. Your body feels heavy and limp as you relax deeply now. And your body is continuing to soften now. Your eyes, your jaw, your tongue and your forehead, spreading throughout your body, your shoulders and upper arms, elbows, hands, chest and stomach, all the way down to the hips and pelvis, all relaxing. Down through your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and your feet. You're totally relaxed now. just letting it all go, trusting the bed or chair to support your body, and let go. And as you relax, allowing your thoughts to slow down and observing yourself becoming still. And as you enjoy this moment of simply being, feeling all resistance leaving your body, you are open and ready to appreciate the path of least resistance. You are looking forward to exploring how you can manifest easily with simple, clear, and uncluttered thoughts. When you become clear and see the possibilities and remain open, then you can experience manifestation through the path of least resistance. So take a moment to imagine something that you're working on manifesting for your life right now. It could be a new car, a house, a partnership, a business venture, a promotion at work. It could simply be happiness and peace of mind. Whatever it is, hold an image of it in your mind and just notice how you feel as you see and experience this image. this can be yours and be a part of your life. Many other people have this in their lives, and they too, they're just like you. This is manifesting in your life right now. Are you open to finding the way to manifest this in your life? Are you prepared to have fun manifesting this in your life? Are you excited to see how this turns up in your life? As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your inner guidance to direct you, to allow you to make the right choices, to enjoy the journey, to have fun in the process, to be excited and amazed at the manifestation as it happens. And taking a couple of deep breaths in and exhaling all the way out. In your own time, you may end this meditation and return to your day, knowing that manifestation is within your power, and that by taking the path of least resistance, being open to happiness, joy, fun, and excitement, that you will allow anything to manifest in your life that is your heart's desire.